Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a twist and curl, well, using my twist and curl souffle. This is just all about my twist out gone wrong, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so just look at the state of my hair. So my hair is freshly washed, just did an apple cider vinegar in, so my curls are more defined, my hair is really shiny, but check this out, super tangled. Can you believe it? Can you guess why my hair is so tangled? I'm gonna tell you guys at the end, but this was such a painstaking process. And I was just like doing my hair like, oh my God, Lachelle, why is your hair so tangled? But yeah, you guys will find out at the end. So here I'm going in with the hydrotherapy mist, and it's going on sale so very soon. I'm just waiting for all the banners and stuff to be created for the website. So saturated my hair with the hydrotherapy mist. I am going to detangle right now. It really helps with detangling. But this going in with the moisture repair elixir. But can I tell you guys about this twist and curl souffle? I am loving it, but what I'm not loving is this Felicia Weather, I don't know what the name is, Weatherwood Felicia something, this brush. Okay, I got it because I saw a friend using it, well, Instagram friend, and yeah, I don't like it. It's so hard. It's not flexible enough. And I'm just not. You're going to see my face. Like when you see me detangling my hair, you can see how much pain I was in because I'm very tender headed, guys. And I was just like, okay, yeah, see, this brush is not working for me. So I'm just going in. I'm using, you guys know I love the lock method, hydrotherapy mist, moisture repair elixir, and of course our twist and curl souffle. And yeah, you guys are gonna see how this look came out. I'm telling you, don't laugh at me, but hey, let's just say there's a part 2 coming up. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Alright, so let me give you all the rundown. This, I'm gonna have to wash this out like tomorrow or the day after. Cause what happened, I realized last night, after I finished doing the whole twist down, I didn't condition my hair. So I shampooed it, did a apple cider vinegar rinse, and didn't condition. And I was wondering like why I was struggling so hard to freaking twist my hair down. Oh, and like you could see, detangle. It was because I didn't condition my hair. How smart was that? Yesterday was just not a good hair day. Last night was not a good hair day. And yeah, it was just way too much frizz going on. So, alright guys, so I tried. We'll see. I'll see how it holds up tomorrow. If not, definitely washing it out tomorrow night. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you like this video. And leave a comment below letting me know if you liked this video. Alright guys, until I see you guys again, stay beautiful. Bye-bye.